Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage software development with Agile, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core principles of Agile methodology. Familiarize yourself with the Agile Manifesto, which emphasizes individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Communicate the value of Agile to your team and stakeholders. Start with a well-defined project vision that outlines the end goals. Identify and create a diverse team with varying skills and experiences. Establish roles within the team, such as the product owner, scrum master, and development team members. Begin the Agile process with a kickoff meeting to align everyone's understanding. Break down the project into manageable tasks or user stories. Prioritize these tasks based on customer value and project goals. Organize a backlog containing all tasks to be completed. Set a timeline for iterations, typically ranging from 1 to 4 weeks. Conduct regular stand-up meetings to discuss progress and address challenges. Encourage open communication and collaboration within the team. Utilize tools like Kanban boards or Scrum boards to visualize work progress. At the end of each iteration, hold a sprint review meeting to showcase completed work. Gather feedback from stakeholders during these review meetings. Facilitate a sprint retrospective to discuss what went well and what could be improved. Make necessary adjustments to processes based on retrospective insights. Continuously refine the product backlog as new information and insights emerge. Stay adaptable to changes and embrace the philosophy of iterative development. Ensure quality through regular testing and integration of code. Maintain documentation, but keep it concise to support Agile workflows. Foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within the team. As the project progresses, regularly reassess priorities and project direction. Celebrate small wins and milestones with the team to maintain motivation. Keep an eye on external market changes that may impact the project. Remember that Agile is a mindset, not just a process. Encourage a growth mindset, allowing team members to learn from experiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.